This video will cover replacing the main seal on a 700R4 automatic transmission. The first step is to remove the torque converter. Remove the seal snap ring. And since the transmission is out, now is a good time to give it a good cleaning. Use a punch and then drill a small hole in the seal. Place a screw in the hole and then remove the seal. I used a slide hammer attachment. Clean the seal area. Apply a little bit of ATF to the seal surface and some Loctite on the outside of the seal. Use a piece of PVC pipe to install the seal, being careful to install the seal perfectly straight. Reinstall the snap ring. Install the torque converter, making sure to feel the 3 distinct clunks. The torque converter should be about 1 inch inside of the bell housing. I hope you liked this short video. Make sure to watch my 700R4 removal video just in case you missed it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.